Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And I was made aware of this sale on the DJI Mavic Air, and it's $699 for the base configuration. It also is available in white, and the red is $779. For the Fly More bundle, it's a savings of $120. So you get $100 savings on the base, $120 with the bundle. The next option with the additional battery, $778.99. It doesn't look like there is a savings there, but there is on some of these other options, and then you could see there's additional options as well. But if you're looking to get the DJI Mavic Air and want to save money, this is a good time. So I'll put a link that will take you directly to the DJI Mavic Air. And if I hear of any other promotions or specials, I'll be sure to post those. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.